Escondido.
In Escondido. It's
On
every
Grand.
Friday.
On Grand Avenue.
Yeah.
And, okay. Sorry if you can't hear us because it's really loud and there's a bunch of people walking here. Let me find a quiet place.
Okay, so we're gonna go walk around. You guys are not gonna hear us probably at all because there's loud music. There's a lot of people. It's really crowded, so it might not be the best video, but you guys come check it out. Also, it's here in Escondido every Friday evenings, and enjoy.
We're gonna show you some clips of like the event, what's going on, but just probably not our face. Well, maybe a little.
But we're trying to get you guys to come here, so
To Esco.
yeah.
Woo.
Well, keep watching.
I doubt. Of fun filming. We couldn't film that well because there was a bunch of people and it was really loud and we came kind of late, so it's really dark now,
But we really enjoyed it and we got popcorn.
And our special guest back here, my best bud Carla, she helped us today take some pictures for our Instagram that we'll be posting soon.
Yes, soon. I broke knees for these girls. I'm gonna do it again.
Yep.
What am I gonna say? Why aren't you driving?
We're about to. I'll say it. We're about to do the what's it called? Letting the person in front of me decide what I order. The car's moving.
Can I order something else too?
No,
What else are gonna get for you today?
Hello. Can I get the same order that the person in front of us just got?
Okay, so 2 large baked Buford with a cherry coke and a blue raspberry slushy.
Yes, please.
And then 20 tacos?
20
No, except the 20 tacos.
Everything else just except the 20 tacos.
Okay, so it's the 2 large baked Buford with a cherry coke.
We don't have
And then
tacos,
not 20
first of all.
tacos, but a large blue lemon slushy
It's just flavor.
with the side of
Oh.
Coca-Cola fries.
Yes.
It's totally 25 plus 6. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. They do tacos for
Yeah, I think they do.
They don't have tacos.
Yeah.
They don't have tacos at rallies. Tell you this is gonna happen.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but he said 20 tacos.
How many people?
And we're at rallies.
We're at rallies. I have not heard 20 tacos here.
I think this guy is onto us.
I think he's just making fun of us. Oh my god. I don't believe
Everything but the tacos. So this is the car in front of us, and they ordered, what, 2 burgers, a slushie, a Coke, and 20 tacos.
And I don't know what else.
No, I think the guy looked at me and laughed. I think he's kidding.
I really got something small. Okay, guys, so I think the car in front just came from Cruisin Grand as well. Wait, are we doing this? Okay.
And we can put it together because we're only gonna go to one place.
Okay, edit that. Okay, so this car I think is from Cruisin Grand. And I think they're taking...
He got 3. Good thing there's 3 of us.
They're taking it to their whole family. That's why the guy said 20 tacos. But I have not heard such thing as tacos here at rallies. I don't know.
If y'all ever come to rallies, the fries are the best thing. The car's moving.
I'm about to ask him if they do sell tacos.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
He's like, yeah. No.
Wait, you guys do sell tacos?
Yeah, we do sell tacos.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never heard of such a thing. I know. I'm gonna start recording this.
Hey guys.
This is what they ordered. 2 Cokes. One's a cherry Coke, I think so, or both cherry Cokes.
So, and
then this blue slushie that I'm so excited to get. Oh yeah, let's see what the receipt is.
And this whole bag, I don't know, filled. Yeah. So they got a big buffered combo, fries, a cherry Coke, another big buffered combo, fries, large, a cherry Coke, and a slushy large blue raspberry, and Texas loaded fries.
Oh,
So that's why we got a fork.
I'm excited to try
Okay.
that. Okay, let's
And
see.
well, we're gonna try this out.
I'll record us trying it. So I don't think we have to try the Coke, or do you guys? Actually, do you guys ever get cherry Coke?
I've never had cherry
Oh,
Coke.
can you take it out?
I don't drink soda. You don't drink soda? No.
Oh.
But that's the goal. So that's
Don't you also
good.
not
That's
eat
good.
chocolate?
No,
Or
I
then
don't
I
eat chocolate. That's me. That's not me. That's Mariana.
Oh yeah.
There's some put this here. Okay. Well, who wants to try this one? Texas loaded fries, which is I don't know.
It's like, I don't know.
It has fries, obviously. Cheese, like nacho cheese, and then bacon, and then jalapenos. It looks pretty decent.
Can you see that? Looks pretty good. Okay, let's try it. I've never had that.
Me neither.
Me
We
neither?
got it with fries. With fork.
Can you put that? Yeah. 'cause
Okay, we got a fork. Okay, here. Everyone wants a fork. No?
Thank you. I'll share with him.
Yeah.
Here, you can go first while I record. I don't know what to get.
I don't either. I'm like,
First thoughts.
is it good?
Is it good? No? You don't like that?
The
though?
cheese is a little funky.
I think
I'm
at the
gonna try it.
beginning it has like the taste of the bacon,
Yeah.
which is like kind of weird, but then it's just like pure fries.
You're like, I'm gonna take everything.
I feel like that's wonderful.
So it's I don't know how it tastes like. It tastes like something else I've tried. But
Or it just tastes like bacon.
I don't know. Like bacon.
Mm.
The cheese is a little weird though.
Yeah?
For me.
I hope you can hear that. Okay, let's try it next
Like,
one.
there's so much. I'm like,
It's hot.
Okay, let's try a burger. Okay.
Okay, so we
Let's try the
got
burger.
2 buffers, big buffers.
It's the same thing, right?
I've tried it before.
I've never tried this before in my life.
I have. I think
Oh,
it's
wait.
okay, but I'm
Except
not
with the
a.
tomato, I don't want it.
I know. I'm not a meat person.
Okay,
it
let's
has,
try.
It has double
It
meat.
smells good.
Yo aquí viéndolas. Oh, it does smell good.
It tastes like a normal burger.
Yeah.
Like a cheeseburger.
It just has more meat, I guess. I mean, it's not that thick. It's better than Burger King.
I've never had Burger King.
Really?
Hmm?
I think it's a little bit better.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If anybody wants to buy me Burger King. Look at these people just eating. These two little. I mean, we probably don't have to try the cherry cocoa or the fries. I think everyone's tried the cherry cocoa. Oh yeah, the fries. These are the fries. Oh no?
Me neither.
These are my favorite fries in the world.
Same.
I swear by them.
I'm sorry, it's the best fries you're gonna ever find.
Yeah.
You just fall in love with them.
And if you think differently, fight me.
Yeah. They're better than In-N-Out than any other place. I'm
Ooh.
dead serious.
The In-N-Out people about to come for you.
And if you say that In-N-Out are better, you guys haven't tried Rallies.
Oh, Carlos, you've never tried cherry coke? I want to see your reaction. Wait. This is a big ass coke.
I know. It's a large, no?
I don't know. I didn't see. Is it a lunch? I think so.
Okay.
Have you ever had cherry coke?
You wanna hold
No, you've never had cherry coke?
Mm-mm. Have you?
Yeah.
Really?
Already? I think it's good.
It's like soap. I think it tastes like
It's okay.
the
Here.
like the
I think
red
it's
cherry
like
slushy.
Like a cherry slushy. You don't like it?
I don't like soap.
Oh yeah.
like soap. Yeah, it's like soap. Okay. Like if they wash the cup and
Here.
just let the soap
Now you
in
can
there.
try this one.
I'm like,
What was
ew.
this?
It was
A blueberry?
blueberry,
Slushy?
blue raspberry, lemonade, lemon slushy. That's what it's called.
is
I
that
don't
what
know.
It looks nice.
It does look
pretty.
really good. I have not tried the slushies here.
Wow, that's good.
Is it?
Mhm.
I mean,
Oh yeah,
this is good stuff.
it's like really nice. It's not too sweet.
And literally, that's basically it. That's all we got. Thanks
Thanks for watching. We enjoyed it. It was good.
I think we're gonna do another one because we want to go to like at least I would say 3 or 2 different places, but it's already nighttime, so we kind of don't want to go around.
It's 9 p.m. to be exact.
Yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below.
And please check out Rallies and the fries is best.
Oh yeah.
Rallies, if you ever see this, sponsor us. I swear,
Sir.
I'll bathe in your French fries. That's how much I love them.
Okay, well, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.